This $40 fragrance smells like a $400 bottle of YSL's Babycat. Hey guys, it's Lisa here, and today, boy, do I have a video for you. We're talking Babycat dupe. Now, if you've seen me in my channel, you know I love me some YSL Babycat. Now, there's a lot of rumors going around. I'm hearing buzzing about maybe Babycat is discontinued, kind of hard to find, kind of pricey when you find it. I have a solution, and it comes from Paris Corner, and it's called Rifaaqat. And I hope to God I'm pronouncing that correctly because I don't feel like I am. But when I tell you this $40 fragrance. Okay, actually, I bought mine online. I actually got it under $40 before like shipping and tax. This beauty, this gem, this queen to be smells like a $400 bottle of YSL's Babycat. I mean, what? Doesn't even make sense. Doesn't even make sense. When I first smelled this fragrance, my mind was completely blown. You could not tell me this wasn't Babycat. Okay, that's how good this fragrance is. It's time to bring her out. It comes in a beautiful bottle. It has a decent cap, nothing to write home about. It's not magnetic like you would find in Babycat, but it does the job. And I would say, in my opinion, this is about 98 to 99% an absolute dupe of Babycat for a bargain. A bargain. I have to spray her. Now, I will say there is a very fine difference. First time I sprayed this on myself, I was like, wow, this is a 1-to-1 dupe for Babycat. However, as it dried down, I started smelling, it was leaning almost coffee-like on my skin. There's no notes of coffee in here anywhere, but that's what it was kind of smelling like for a little bit on my skin. When I passed someone by, they thought I was wearing like a chocolatey perfume. No chocolate notes in here. It literally has every note that Babycat has. The black pepper, the pink pepper. It has saffron, olibanum, vanilla, and cedarwood. However, what it does not have, from what I can tell, is the note of suede in the base notes. Babycat has that note of suede. And I think if we were to split the finest of hairs, that might be the only difference, and it's not that much noticeable. I feel like, to me, there is also a difference in the potency of the fragrance. Now, keep in mind, I've had my bottle of Babycat for almost a year now, so it's had a chance to sit around and feel on itself a little bit, and get better with time. This bottle of Rifaaqat, I think I've had for maybe about a week or two right now. And it is a Middle Eastern fragrance. And what I've noticed with a lot of the Middle Eastern fragrances that I get, they do need to kind of chill for a bit, sit in a dark, cool corner somewhere for like a few weeks and just macerate, maturate, and get better with time. They don't always come out, potent straight out the gate. But with that said, this didn't disappoint me at all. It smells so much like Babycat that initially I thought they had the exact same notes. Exact same notes. They had to. I didn't even notice that the suede was missing. Rifaaqat just seems a little lighter, slightly more airy, but like I said, it could be because I just got this bottle. I have not let it sit for very long. Maybe over time, it will get more potent, but I am telling you right now, if you are like most people who either can't get their hands on it because they can't find it anywhere, or just don't want to spend $400, $500, or however many dollars a bottle of Babycat is going for these days, you will not be disappointed by Rifaaqat. Oh my goodness. It is such a good dupe. I am shocked how good of a dupe this is. The quality is really good. Like, I'm not getting like, this overly potent vibe of alcohol that sometimes you get with some of the more like bargain friendly fragrances. No, no, no. Quality is top tier. Okay. Period. You want Babycat? Get this first. Get this first. See if you like this, and then maybe go for the Babycat to see the difference. But like I said, it's splitting hairs. In terms of scent profile, this is about 99% accurate. Like, they hit the nail right on the head with this fragrance. But in my opinion, there is a certain je ne sais quoi. And maybe that is je ne sais quoi is actually just the suede note that is missing apparently from Rifaaqat. But there's a certain potency that I have with my Babycat. I do have Babycat sprayed on my hand before filming. And it just seems to last or linger on my skin a little thicker than Rifaaqat does. Rifaaqat to me is just a mildly lighter in potency, but scent profile is damn near one for one. Quote me on it. If you like your thick vanilla fragrances, you like your resiny scents, your woodsy scents, Rifaaqat is right up your alley. And I would honestly say for the price, it is a safe blind buy. But you gotta like those, notes. You gotta like vanilla, you gotta like your resins, you gotta like your woods. If you like all three of those, you cannot go wrong with buying a bottle of Rifaaqat. I was literally chatting just the other day with one of my viewers. Shout out to you. We were discussing Babycat and how, it is a pretty pricey fragrance. Problem solved. Problem solved. Okay, when I tell you this is worth every cent, and it does not smell like a $40 fragrance. It smells like luxury. It smells like you paid $400 for this fragrance. Quote me. Quote me, boo. It smells like you paid an arm and a leg for this fragrance, and it's such a bargain. You don't even understand how excited I am. I wanted to buy maybe 2 more bottles of this because why not? I love Babycat. I am really close to the end of my Babycat. I'm using it sparingly. Using it sparingly. In terms of projection and longevity, it did really well. Performed all day long. I think I got 8 hours plus with Rifaaqat, and I get it's a similar vibe with Babycat. Babycat has great projection, great sillage, and I got just about the same thing with Rifaaqat. I mean, this is a no-brainer. You have got to get your hands on this fragrance. I am floored. I am in awe at how well done this scent is. It's so good. With that said, if you were to give me a bottle of Rifaaqat and a bottle of Babycat, and say they were, both 85 ml bottles, and they were both $40. If I smelled both of them and you told me you had to pick one of the two, I would probably pick Babycat. Just because I feel like there is a certain refinement there, but ever so slightly. I mean, they're like neck and neck, these two fragrances. But like I said, splitting hairs, I would probably still sway over to Babycat. But I mean, it's a photo finish race, baby. Like they are just both amazing fragrances. So happy that if I could maybe never get my hands on a bottle of Babycat ever again, for whatever reason, if it gets discontinued or whatever, what have you, there is Rifaaqat right there in the wings, waiting to hold and cuddle me and say, there, my dear Lisa. I am right here for you. But yeah, definitely go find a bottle of Rifaaqat. I don't think you would be disappointed. Please let me know if you tried this fragrance from Paris Corner. It just blows my mind. Blows my mind. This is actually the first time I've tried a fragrance from Paris Corner. So if you guys have any suggestions on what else I should be trying from this brand, please let me know. Leave a comment down below and tell me, are you interested now in buying Rifaaqats? I definitely think you should give it a try. Blind buy worthy, you heard it here first. So on that note, I want to say thank you for watching and